Today guys, welcome back to another video. There is a red wolf blood moon and it's gonna turn into blood. And it's completely safe, it won't blind you. That's these solar glyphs, that's what it does.
About 3/4 of it is red. Can you see it, Joseph?
Yes.
About 3/4 of it's red right now.
Oh, it's getting red.
Yeah.
I'm going back inside.
It's completely red now.